trust in a relationship can be very difficult, but it definitely can be done. The first steps in rebuilding trust are having open communication. You need to let your partner or your friend know, whoever you're trying to rebuild the trust with, that you are going to be open and not judgmental and listening when they bring up things they want to discuss. Oftentimes, broken trust means that the person does not feel comfortable bringing up situations or things they want to talk about because they just feel unsafe. Safety is key. Make sure you let the person know that you are there to support them, you are there to listen, and you are willing to do what it takes to build that trust back. Honesty. Honesty is the first place you can start to ensure that your partner knows, or your friend knows, or your coworker knows that you are willing to be honest from that point moving forward, regardless of what happens with your relationship. Be open, be non-judgmental, and be someone who wants to make things work. You can mend the relationship with a little bit of effort. I hope this helps.